The operation frequency too high error in Marvel Rivals 2103 typically occurs when there are issues related to the game's connection to the server or your device's performance limitations. This error can be frustrating, but there are a few potential fixes you can try. 1. Check server status. First, ensure that the error isn't on the game's end due to server maintenance or outages. You can visit the official Marvel Rivals 2010 social media pages or the developer's website for any announcements. Check sites like Down Detector for real-time reports of server outages. 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can clear temporary issues. Close the game completely. Restart your device, PC, console, or mobile, and try launching the game again. 3. Check internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can cause connection errors. Ensure you're connected to a stable network, Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. Consider restarting your router or modem if your connection feels slow. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using a wired connection for better stability. 4. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, you may need to reinstall the game. Uninstall Marvel Rivals 2010-3 from your device. Reinstall the game from your app store or client. Check if the error occurs again after the fresh installation. Check for background processes, PC, console. If you're on a PC or console, make sure there are no heavy background processes consuming resources, leading to performance issues. On PC, open Task Manager, Ctrl plus Shift ESC, and close any non-essential apps consuming CPU or memory. On console, close any other running apps to free up system resources. Let me know how it goes or if you need help with any specific step.